Wowie wowie, what do we got here? We got some grilled cheese, people. Oh my goodness. Cheese, grilled, bread, everything all at once.
So, as we
You're in
see
for a
right
treat.
here, we have
Here's how
such
you
a
cook it.
beautiful grilled cheese. Oh my goodness, look at that, delicious.
Wow, beautiful. Oh my. So here are the ingredients that we're gonna be using. So good, it's so interesting. And here's a picture of the ingredients. Go, feel free to pause the video and see for yourself. Okay, we got bread, the best bread. And we got all these cheeses. We love cheese. El Gruyere, Grand Swiss, Monterey Jack, love it. American, love it. Mozzarella, we love that. Oh my goodness, what don't we love over here? And imported Le Gruyere.
Now here we got the fancy schmancy La Gruyere. Okay. Some American slices, no big deal. Some Monterey Jack, very important. And of course, we got the mozzarella.
Wow, wow. Okay, so we're starting off grating the cheese. We love cheese. Oh my goodness, so exciting. Look at that cheese. You grate it, it falls down. Wow. Oh my. Yeah, you're gonna want to grate the Monterey Jack cheese. Love it. So as we're grating, we're just, going on with our lives, grating the cheese. Next, we got Le Gruyere. Grate that cheese, man. You're gonna want to grate them, and you want to grate them good, so we get a nice mix of multiple cheeses to add for some cheesy goodness. We love cheese, people. It's grilled cheese. Take the American and just slice them. Who cares? You don't even need to grate them because they come sliced. And you know what? Yeah, just go ahead and rip them with your hands like a crazy person. Just go ahead and do it. It melts either way. Whatever. That's fine. Who cares? Just grate it up. Oh, slice it up. Rip it with your hands, people. Look at that cheese. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you see, what? I'm so crazy. I like to season my cheese. I'm a cheese seasoner. It's the season to be cheesing. Alright, then we got the mozzarella. Oh my goodness, am I gonna season that too? I don't know. Put it in the cheese bowl. We love cheese. Oh wow. Okay, moving on, we got the onions. We love onions. Onions are good. So yeah, you're gonna want to chop these up and not chop your hand off. And here we have some beautiful rosemary. Rosemary, my favorite seasoning. Throw that in there. It's gonna look beautiful and it's gonna look fancy schmancy. Wow. So it definitely adds flavor to the flavor because flavor's good. Now we're gonna make garlic butter with thyme. Oh my goodness. So first you take the garlic and throw it in the butter. That's how you make garlic butter. Butter is garlic and garlic is butter. They're one and the same. And now we're taking the thyme because it's thyme time. It's thyme. So you take the thyme and you put them in the thyme and put in the garlic butter, and now you got a mix of something beautiful. What is that? Oh my goodness. So tasty. Wow. Look at this. So yeah, it looks like we got everything going on here. We got the onions and the rosemary. And then we got the garlic butter with the thyme. And now it's time to put some stuff on the frying pan. So we're gonna take a little bit of butter, not too much, just a little bit, Okay, and we're gonna put that in the pan. Yeah, because as we know, we need butter in the pan or else it's gonna stick. And we need it to be good or else we're done for. Yeah, so go ahead, see the thyme and the garlic. It actually gives it a nice embedded taste into the frying pan. And here we got the onions with the rosemary. Oh my goodness, go in there. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is out of this world, people. So you're gonna want to definitely put the onions in the pan, not outside the pan. You're gonna want to put it inside the pan. Oh my, the pan from Japan, people. Wow. Oh, look at that fire. Fire it up, brother. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is actually me turning on the fire, and I mixed up the video. But yeah, you know what happens here. Oh, what's going on? This is out of segment. Okay, so this is when I'm actually gonna cook the cheese. Oh, whoops. Okay, whatever. Yeah, you're gonna need the olive oil because yeah, when you put the grilled cheese on there, you don't want it to be crazy. So yeah, whatever. This is out of segment. Ignore this part. We didn't even put the onions yet. This is completely out of segment. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. Oh, what am I doing there, people? I don't even know. I'm breaking up the rosemary to make sure it is beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, now we're gonna move to the new segment, right? Oh, this is all out of place. I need to edit this video better. What the heck is going on? I'm in like the middle when I was in the beginning. Go back to the onions. Go back to the onions. Oh my goodness, look at these close-ups. Beautiful. Wow, look at that butter.
Now let me simmer
okay,
down.
Now we're back to normal timeline.
For like 10 minutes
yeah, you're gonna want to caramelize these onions and make them nice and delicious. What is going on here? Oh, fast forward, people. Oh my goodness, look at them onions. Oh wow. There's
a little
onions that'll
longer.
look so good. These are the
Okay,
best looking
turn it
onions
over a little bit.
of all
Definitely
time.
looking for that
Now
little
they're nice and
brown flavor,
caramelized.
okay, so
Not
it's
too
nice and
caramelized. We
caramelized.
want to get a nice little simmer. Simmer down. Wow. Okay, so yeah, everything's going pretty good. This is what's gonna happen in the middle of the sandwich. There are gonna be onions in the middle because it's gonna add some tasty stuff. And now we got the bread. We're in the accurate timeline now. And yeah, we got the onions. Put them in the bowl.
right out.
Put that stuff in the bowl.
right
The cheese bowl is over there. This is the onion bowl. Don't mix them up
all
or
up.
else you're done for. All right,
Ba-bam.
so yeah, the onions go in the bowl.
Love it.
We love that stuff. All right, now we're moving
get a
on,
nice
moving
zoom
on,
in.
people. Yeah. Look at them onions.
Shazam!
Oh my goodness gracious, the onions. Now we're taking the
nice
rest of the butter, the fancy butter, and we're gonna butter the bread.
Butter this.
Butter toast, people. Oh my goodness gracious, look at me. Oh, I just grabbed that butter with my hands. Oh, who cares? This is dramatic. So yeah, you're gonna want to butter that, the outside of the bread, so it doesn't, you know,
Oh,
you gotta make it good. Yeah, you butter it all up. Butter it wherever the heck you want. Just butter that stuff. In, out, and done.
okay,
whatever.
time to get cheesy.
So now we got the
All right,
cheese.
take the
What's
cheese.
up with the cheese?
Oh, well,
We're gonna
bam.
put it on
go ahead
the
and drop
bottom.
it right
okay,
there.
all
Not
that
a problem.
cheese, so much cheese, and then you put the onions.
Onions.
Oh yeah, so we want it in the middle. Oh my goodness, oh I'm so hungry. Why am I narrating this when I'm hungry? Oh, what
Okay,
am I
we
doing? I
definitely wanna
already
make
ate
sure
this
we
in the
got
past.
cheese
It's
on
like
both
I'm going in a
sides.
time
Well,
machine of
bam.
cheesiness.
And here's the secret
Okay, so this
ingredient,
is the secret
bacon.
bacon. Yeah,
ahead
you
and
put the
drop some
bacon on
bacon.
there. Put too much bacon. Who cares?
Too much, but
Because
that's
it's
okay.
cheese time, people.
All
Time
right,
to get
get ready for
cheesy,
the
so you
flip.
put it in the pan.
And well,
And you
bam.
want to get a nice
There you go.
brown. Okay, yeah, you want to make sure you don't burn it. That's the
Push that
rosemary.
down, make
That
sure
is
it's all
kind of
pushed
crispy
down.
on the top. Don't. Oh my goodness. Okay,
Love it.
whatever. It's
Oh,
pretty good.
yeah.
Yeah, you want to get that nice golden brown.
So we're definitely
not
looking
black
for that
burned.
crispy
okay,
golden
so that's
brown,
good. That's
not
good.
burnt.
Decent
We
there.
want
a
it
little pretty
nice
good. Pretty
and
good. Well, the
kinda
point is to
yellow.
melt the cheese, people.
So
Yeah, we need
that stuff
cheese,
right
and
there
it's got to be
is
melted.
what is called
It's
the
got to be
onions.
grilled. Oh my, that's the gristle. That's the thyme time.
And try to
All
drop
right,
the
so
cheese.
everybody's having a
Grilled
good time.
cheese.
This is
Oh,
sandwich
awesome.
number 2. This is the second sandwich.
Y'all see
The
that?
second sandwich of all time. The sandwich goes in the pan, not out the pan from Japan.
Time to let
it's
it
gotta
melt.
go
Well,
in it.
bam.
And if you're not in it to win it, then you're done. Yeah, go ahead, take your hand, put it in the pan, do what you gotta do. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious,
And
look at
you're
that
done.
sandwich.
Beautiful.
This is
Just
the
plate
most
it and it
amazing
should be
sandwich
good.
anybody has ever seen.
Love it.
This is really the #1 grilled cheese in America, people. Oh my goodness. So that's the recipe. You know it. You know it. You heard it here, folks. People, this is good.